So I'm now in the car. That's all can see. Yep. Then I'm at the temple. Yep. So it's the Chinese 7th month, the Hungry Ghost month. So we are paying respects to our ancestors. Yep. So now I'm still early, so I'll be waiting for the people to arrive. They say it will be 9 plus for them to come, and it's only like I think 8:50, and mom and sister is also on the way. So alright, I'll just slowly wait. Wifey is now at home with the little boy. He stayed over at mom's place for the night so that wifey has company. So okay, we shall see what time they will arrive.
Magandang umaga. There, gising na kami ni Adam. Hello, Adam. Hi. What? What's that? Bulldozer? Oi. How about your truck? Where's your truck? Oh, lost. Ayan, ang aga-aga naglalaro na siya nung bus na. Nasa temple na daw sila, Jane. Bus? What color is your bus?
White.
White. Clever boy. Nasa temple na daw sila doon. Sila doon, tsaka yung mama niya. Atay doon. Try ko siyang i-video call pero busy. Nakikipag-chat siya. Ha? Beep beep. Beep beep.
Yellow.
Oh no. Yellow. White. So, yun. Medyo nagugutom na ako pero hindi ko alam paano kakainin ko. Gawa lang muna ako ng Milo para mamaya sabay kami din kumain. Truck! Oh, that's a big truck. Big. Oh, no.
No.
Yeah, mamaya na lang.
So now all prepared for the pray session. This is our table and the other peoples are in front. So this is what we got here. We have sucking pig, roast chicken, roast duck, roast meats, and the kuih and fruits. These are the notes to burn. Yep. So okay. Have to wait for the aunties now.
Ayan, mag-snack muna ako nito. Butter toast at saka Milo. Tapos manonood kami ng cartoons ni Adam. Ayun, nagkalat na siya. Wala pa kaming kalahating oras dito sa kasala. What are you trying to do? No, cannot. Oh. Baba coming already, ah. Put it back. No, ah.
So over there, other place where we burn the Jaws paper, offerings. So all the tables are filled like that. We are done, so we are going to move off in a while. Very crowded now.
Ayan, sinundo na nung sister-in-law ko si Adam. So, umuwi na sila. It's already 10:40. And I'm still having my biscuit and Milo. Nanonood ako ngayon ng Empress of China. Wala kasi akong ganyan na channel dito. Doon sa bahay, hindi ako nakasubscribe. Pero gustong-gusto ko kasi itong panoodin last year pa. So, yung sa mga online, walang subtitle. So, yeah. Papanoorin ko muna siya kahit isang episode lang. Hello! Ayan, sinundo na ako ni Baba. Tapos ang dami niyang dalang pagkain from the prayer. Oh, baby. So, yeah. I like the is it a bread?
That is like kuih. I also don't know how to.
Kueh daw. Kueh is dessert.
Kuih, like cake.
cake dessert or something like that.
Something like that.
So, yeah. Nagugutom na ako. So, maybe I'm going to eat that on the way home. Pauwi na ako. Ay, nagahay yung bata. Hi! Ito pala yun, yung quail. Ano siya? Hindi siya mukhang appetizing, pero in fairness, ang sarap niya talaga. Tapos, ano pa siya? Homemade nung auntie ni Dwayne. So, yeah. Yammers! 11:45 na. Uwi na kami. Then, pag-uwi namin, matutulog si Dwayne. Right away. Ayan, so ito na yung aming brunch. Kasi late na. As in, super meat galore. Wala ka man lang makikitang green. So ito yung mga ginawa nila from prayer. So this
duck
is
here.
duck,
Chicken. Roast pork. And this is suckling pig.
So yeah, kain tayo. Gabundok yung rice mo, baby. Like mountain. But you're going to sleep
Transfer from that.
Eat a bit of rice So yeah, kain tayo.
Let's eat.
Ayan, 1:00 na, matutulog na si Dwayne. Kasi ayoko muna siyang patulugin kaagad kanina kasi diba nag-rice kami and yung meat. So now, gusto ko siyang samaang matulog. Hantok din ako. Nasusuka kasi ako, nag-orange nga ako kasi yung pakiramdam ko nasusuka pa rin. Hindi pa rin natatanggal. Samahan ko ata siya dun sa loob matulog. Wala kaming ngayon plano. Lang, dito lang sa house. Papahinga. Malamang ang lunch namin yung na naman. Yung meat na naman. Dami pang natira. Yeah. Yun lang. Hello guys, kagigising lang namin, alas 5 na. And pagising ko nagugutom ako. So, kaninang nasa bahay kami, binigyan ako ng mother-in-law ko yung purple potato. Yung sa ating kamuting kahoy, yun yung gusto ko yung binibigyan niya kasi sa akin yung sweet potato. Magmama pala si Dwayne kasi may darating kaming bisita, so mag-quick shower din ako. Or maliligo na lang ako. So, yeah. Ang tawag doon, maliligo ako and then, yeah, nagugutom na ako. Yung palang yung na-excite ako doon sa sa sweet potato na yun kasi hindi nila alam kung saan galing. Feeling ko sa Pilipinas yun. 'Di ba yun yung ginagawa na yun yung pinang-barbecue natin. Barbecue, pinang kakamoti Q at saka pinang natin yung 'di ba meron yung nilalaga lang. Parang yun feeling ko. So yeah. Siya purple. So ayan, ang kalat ang desk. But yeah. So maliligo muna ako. And nakita nyo na yung mga friend namin na yun, yung mga nakasama namin dun sa travel vlog namin nung kailan ba kami nag-travel? Ito lang, April ata or May. Nung pumunta kami ng Malaysia tsaka Thailand. So, yeah. Sa mga bago pala, kung gusto nyo panoorin yung mga travel vlog namin na nung nagsimula na kaming mag-vlog, meron akong link sa baba. So, yeah. Yun. Ligo muna ako. Ayan, tapos na akong maligo. Naliligo pa lang sila. Nagmadali-madali naman ako. You inform me wrongly, you say you're there on the way already. Nangarag tuloy kami, naglinis bigla, tapos naligo. But yeah. I'm using this selfie stick, pero manual. Kasi wala na palang battery, nakalimutan kong i-charge. So baby, you charge it, okay? Ayan, nakaligo na rin si Baba. Ano ba yan, baby? You always don't have shirt.
You always take me without my...
It's not like you always wear your shirt. What?
You always take me in my sexiest form.
So, nagutom na ako, baby.
Can eat already.
You off already, yeah?
It's soft already.
Are you sure?
Oh.
So you prepare for your pregnant wife, huh?
Wait, I'm looking at jeepney crossing river.
Naaliw siya doon sa jeep na ano, na dumadaan doon sa ano, yung ilog. Parang wala naman sa atin yan. Sa atin pala yan. So, yeah. So, ngayon, nga. Kain muna kami nung kamote, tapos, antayin namin. Kasi, ang problema pa, hindi namin alam kung ano yung kakainin namin for dinner. It's either lalabas kami or kakain kami sa labas kasi yung friend namin na yon, if you still don't know, they are Muslims. So, kailangan yung kainin nila is halal. Alam niyo naman, hindi naman halal itong bahay namin. Kumakain kami ng pork. So, it's either bibili sila ng food or kakain kami sa labas. So, hindi rin makapag-decide si Dwayne kung ipapark na niya ba yung kotse dun sa Hougang first or antayin namin sila. So, malayo pa naman yung panggagalingan nila. Bukit Batok, right, baby?
Yep.
But anyway, they will be fast because they're riding bike, what?
Yep. Depends. The old man bathes for like half an hour, 45 minutes.
I think at this they will rush him already. Yeah. So, baho. Close all the ayan, ang tapang ng amoy nung ano niluluto nila. Nakakaano. Yan yung pag ano, yan yung is ano, lagi kong ano, parang magsasuffer ako palagi ng ganyan tuwing ganitong oras na ano, magluluto na sila. Baby, so every day of our life we need to suffer like that.
Well, after that you get used to the smell. But now your nose is super sensitive because you're pregnant. After yeah.
Baby, you tell me when I'm not pregnant, I'm not sensitive in my smell, ma.
No comments.
Kahit na hindi ako buntis, yung ilong ko parang ano eh, aso. Pag hindi ko gusto yung amoy, sumasakit yung ulo ko. Kaya ano to eh, alam na din niya, siya na rin yung gumagawa ng paraan minsan kasi siya rin magsasuffer pag masakit yung ulo ko. Anyways, baby, prepare naman na daw kamuti naman.
Let's go behind to eat.
I want to eat here eh. Magre-reklamo na yun kasi kanina siya na yung pinagugas ko ng plato eh. So, yeah. Mamaya ulit. Pakita ko sa inyo yung kamuti. Ang sarap. Yan siya, oh. Yummers, no? Kaso ano, na sobrahan nata ng steam. Masyado daw malambot, sabi ni Dwayne. Oo nga, mashi-mashi na siya. Para siyang mashed sweet potato. Pero ang bango niya, in fairness. Yeah, kain tayo.
Okay, so I've just returned the car back to parents' place because we shouldn't be heading out tonight already or anytime until tomorrow because my Malay stepbrother and his wife, they're coming over to our place in a while for dinner. So I returned the car, now I'm heading home.
Kakainin ni Dwayne tong tray na to. Sa pre-pre din kasi ito eh.
Inside got rice.
Oh, may rice daw sa inside. And this outside, flour. Flour skin daw. So yeah. Kainin na rin niya kasi ano, yan yung prayer kanina. So yeah. Nanood kami nito. Ano na to kasi to? Cooking with the Sherman ata. Or something.
His name is Sherson.
No, their last name is Sershan.
No, his name is Sherson.
Is it?
Yeah, the auntie already said my son Sherson.
Oh, that. Oh, the type is no. I thought.
That's the surname.
Oh, the family name.
Hello.
Pangalan pala nung anak niya yun. So yeah. Yan. Malaysian sila.
Wow, that's a big one.
This is the food, mee goreng, then rojak, and ganyan. And then durian. So yeah. Yeah. Ganyan yung gamit namin kasi hindi sila pwedeng kumain dun sa pinagkakainan namin. So yeah. Kain tayo. Ayan, durian. Maybe. Bili sila ng 5 styrofoam ng durian. Kain tayo. Hello! Umuwi na yung mga bisita namin. Grabe, ang dami din nilang dala na na pagkain. And tawag doon, ang daming leftover. Ayan o. So that is rojak. Tapos ito yung sa baba is durian. May goreng. So may durian pa. Tapos rojak kasama din dito. Tapos yan yung sauce ng rojak. Ang dami pa. So, Tapos ito hindi masyado makakain kasi nabusog sa dun sa kinain niyang kway kanina, yung pink. Kasi parang glutinous rice yun eh. So, feeling. So, yeah. Ako din nabusog. Busog ako. Madami ako nakain ng durian. So, yeah. Tag doon. Nanonood lang ako ng TV tapos si Dwayne. Alam niya na. After eating. So, yun. Ang tag doon. Lilinis ako ng kusina. Maghugas ako ng mga kanina pala kung nakita nyo, kumain kami lahat. Ginamit namin mga disposable at saka nilagay lang namin dun sa plastic kasi yung mga utensil ko dyan is ginagamitan ng yung pinaglulutuan ko ng pork. Tsaka 'di ba nagulam kami ng pork. So hindi nila pwedeng gamitin. Muslim kasi sila. So kaya tuwing mas madali pag kami ang bumibisita sa kanila kasi hindi na nila kailangan mag-adjust. Lang kasi syempre first time nila, gusto nila makita yung house, so yun. Pero kadalasan kami ang bumibisita sa kanila kasi mahirap pag dito, lalo na sa pagkain kasi syempre kailangan halal yung nila, mga utensils. Hindi naman utensils yung pagkain nila, parang dapat walang bahid ng baboy yung pagkakainan. So yun lang nangyari today. Tomorrow, ewan ko kung lalabas kami ni Dwayne. But, yeah. Nanonood ako ng Gordon Ramsay. Lang.
Alright, so it's time to say good night. My face a bit busy. She's tired already. Yep, she's looking at the little one's scans, the photo. Yep, she's just looking through them. Nothing much, right? The scan. Yep, it's just a bunch of scans. Yep. This time around, actually, just wanted to confirm the gender. That's why. So, all right. Time to say good night, and we will be heading out tomorrow to run some errands, and hopefully she can find her wallet. So, all right. Good night.
Thank you.